You can delete wallpaper on your iPhone. So to delete your wallpaper, what you'll need to do is just make sure that you've unlocked your phone and you're on your wallpaper. So what you'll need to do is just long press on the wallpaper, and after you do that, you will see all of your wallpapers. So now before I tell you guys what to do next, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So what you'll need to do now is that you'll see the list of your wallpapers. So just go to the one that you want to delete, and after you're there, just swipe up. After you swipe up, you will see the red trash icon. Just press on it and confirm this deletion. Just press on delete this wallpaper and your wallpaper will get deleted. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you delete wallpapers on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.